made it out of the car park. We're already eating. We need the energy. Someone's gonna die today. There's a little shuttle thing there, and I goes, that's for us for later. Oh. With nature, it's given documentary channel. I was gonna say we'll take small little hikes, like these little mini mountains. Oh, the mountains. You should. She's tired from walking 10 minutes.
We literally took 2 hours to walk this much.
And whose fault is that?
Oh, that actually made the jacket warm, you know.
She's tired as well.
That's why.
She's tired.
Just put it in the sun, it's getting dry. No, you're not tired.
Look how muddy she
She
is.
needs a wash.
Can you just do like... Oh my god!
Guys! Look at that! I'm not going down that. Come here, this way. There's a bridge there as well. This way, this way.
We're all out of breath.
You can go to that side if you want to.
We've taken a break.
I'm finished.
How do you feel?
Not that tired.
Lies. Absolute lies. How are you? How do you feel?
I'm finished.
We've not even made it to the
I
top.
actually want to get to the top though.
I want to, but like at this point I'm
I
like,
don't
is it
mind.
worth it? Do you guys just want to leave me here and go for me?
No.
No, we've all got it together. The dog's tired as well, aren't you, Lena?
Go to take camera from
Yeah. Guys, don't worry, she has got shorts on underneath. There you go. At least you'll be occupied now. Are you enjoying that? Are you enjoying that, Lena?
Wait, Joanne.
Guys, we've got a little picnic.
Let's talk about the hike, how it's been. Like, face
Oh,
camera
okay.
towards me. So happy
Guys, just Lena, it's not for you. Stop it.
Look at the cake.
Say thank you.
Happy birthday, Joanne.
Oh, guys, stop it. This is so that's the food. Okay, how is it?
I'm really cold.
What are you doing with your hand? They're definitely going to our food. Have you had enough?
Yeah, I'm cold now. And I didn't
So, someone's having their first ever wild week because everything's closed now. And we're just enjoying life. Beautiful. Guys, my friends literally surprised me with a little balloon and a cake.
25, right?
25.
Oh.
Getting choked. Lena's just watching you. She's not
keeping
even
an eye.
moving. She's keeping an eye on her little wild bee. Just go there.
It's Luna.
Lena, come here. The third person is missing because she's gone on a wild bee. Where is she? She's there, right. Lena, we'll go up.
Up and away.
Say hi,
Lex.
say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. You having fun, Lena? How was your...
There you go.
Man, the amount of times I've been attacked by the balloon.
Do you want a picture of that?
Guys, can I just say thank you very much for the little birthday surprise.
Oh, happy birthday. Happy late birthday.
Thank you.
Guys, I swear this balloon, I'm actually going to pop out at this point.
Guys, explain what's just happened.
I don't know what to talk about.
She was holding Lena. And then what happened?
She's
It went
my
downhill,
gosh.
like literally downhill.
Oh my. Joanne, I never saw you run so fast
I
in your.
dropped my bag, guys. I ran. I was screaming.
Oh.
She was just lying on the floor. And then the man on the bike goes, "It's okay, we've all been there before."
Bro.
No, they have not been there before. Okay. So how do you feel? How was the hike for you?
I actually enjoyed it.
Really?
So many things made it really thrilling.
Like what?
I wish we just recorded it. Luna is the star. She's the star of the show, definitely.
And her poor victims right next to her. How did you find the whole hike?
Eventful.
Eventful. Would you do this again?
Definitely.
Out of 10?
With Luna, it would be better.
Yeah, we wanted to get ice cream, but we took too long. Oh, so nice.
Oh, my knees.
We finally finished the hike. How'd you find it?
Ready for a long sleep.
She's tired. Yeah.
Tired.
I think we're all tired, but I think we've got a lot to learn.
I think it went well. We still did it though.
We still did. That's what counts. We still did it, and you know what? It's making us more excited for the future. So this is one of many hikes. But yeah, we did it.